Hello again everyone and welcome back to my blog, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a rice turon by my own version, and I'm gonna use risotto rice. These are my ingredients. This is my rice. I'm gonna use this risotto rice. I'm gonna use only one cup of rice. I'm gonna use condensed milk and a normal milk, and I have here my pasta, and I'm now cooking my blueberry. I'm gonna put blueberry in my rice to run. Okay, we start doing it, cooking. So we're gonna wash the rice. So we're gonna put 2 cups of milk. The blueberry puree, I'm gonna put a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. It's boiling now. I think I need to put more milk. Next, we need a big pan, and I'm gonna put some butter. This is my butter. Melted butter. So this is our rice, risotto rice. Condensed milk. This is my condensed milk. And we're gonna mix our blueberry compote. There we go. And we're gonna mix. Mixing. Our rice is ready na, guys, so sit aside and let it cool down before we do the wrapping. So later we start wrapping. Now I'm gonna show you how to do this. A bit more. This is mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna put a bit of mozzarella cheese in this. another one. Show you. Another one. Cheese. Rice Turon with blueberry and mozzarella cheese. Right, guys, start frying. Start frying. Ready na ang ating rice turon. May cut one here. There you go. So some people cooking rice turon, they're gonna put a brown sugar on top, but I'm not gonna put any brown sugar because it's too sweet. The contents milk. I'm gonna try this. It's nice. You can put any fruit you want, but I got so many blueberries, so I use blueberry today. Maybe next time I'm gonna put mango. I'm gonna try mango for the next time. So hope you enjoy, guys, my cooking again. See you next time. Bye.